Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome to Cook and Share. I love fast and easy recipes and chicken recipes, so I decided to do this brown sugar pesto chicken. Oh, it's incredibly good. Let me walk you through this and let's get started. To make the sauce, I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of tomato pesto. I just love this stuff. 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. About 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Of course, some salt. And my all-time favorite spice, pepper. And I'm going to grab up my spoon and give this a mix up. Next up, what I've got here, 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. And I'm going to place these into a baking tray lined with some aluminum foil. Spread my sauce over the top. And of course, we're going to do this on both sides. And we're going to bake this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, about 200 Celsius, for about 40 minutes. And there you have it, guys, our brown sugar pesto chicken. Incredibly delicious. You're going to love this. So let's go ahead and give this a taste test. This is incredible. The chicken is so tender, the sweetness, the pesto. I just love it. You gotta make this. So while I'm eating, for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.